guys, Max from Metro Hobbies. We've had a lot of shipments come in, so I thought I'd give you a quick look through as to what has come in. We're also expecting a big shipment middle to late next week, so I'll go through them as well. But let's have a look to see what is in store now. So what we've had come in is from ModelsVit, AA Models and Sober M. We've also had stuff from Trumpeter and Hobby Boss and ILK. So let's have a look at a few of the new, some interesting things. From AA Models, we've got this and the two Sky Raiders. This is the AD5W, AD5Q. One without the radome, the standard version. This is the one with the radome. These are 70-second scale. These are new tool kits. They're not a copy of anybody else's or anything else. These are really, really nice. The details, the decals, customer I was showing yesterday was very, very impressed with them. So they've come in. We've also had some 1/144 scale stuff from them, which is really, really nice. This is the B57 Canberra with the rocket. This is 1/144 scale, so you get two kits in one there. You also get, there's also this one, an AN26 Curl, also 1/144 scale. Now an interesting pair are these two. I hadn't thought of these being done in 1/144, but there you go. This is the GA43 Clark in two different colour schemes. Again, 1/144s from Sober M. They're in stock at the moment. Also from, this is the interesting one. If you're into rocketry and all that sort of stuff, this is the CIM10A Bormac. Yeah, Bomac, or whatever you might, however you might want to pronounce it. This is in 70-second scale, comes complete with the launch stand. You can have it either in horizontal or vertical, so very, very nice. Now, from people like Trumpeter and things like that, this is the one that the ship modelers have been looking for. This is Midway. This is the version that was launched just, or not launched, but commissioned just after the end of World War II. This is a really nice kit. It'll be interesting to see if they modify the kit at stages and do these stages of the development of the kit. So yeah, really, really nice. It'll be interesting to see what else they do with that. Also next Hurricane in their series, so that's just come in. This is the Hobby Boss Liberator. Very, very nice kit. I believe it's very simple to build. Does it still have some issues? Yeah, but the realities are it's a way better kit than the old Monogram 48 scale Liberator. This is quite nice. Also, we've got a couple of armour pieces down the bottom there. Unusual one from AA Models, or an unusual aeroplane. That's the F-14MN1. It's basically a float plane that sort of flew across the top of the water like the lift aircraft type things that they were building. So that's quite interesting. Also from Trumpeter, we've got a couple of armoured pieces. That's 70-second scale. You've got the Leopard, you've got the Striker and German Panzer wagon, craft wagon carrier. I'm not going to try and pronounce it, but that's the 18T with 88 flak gun. And Russian Object 49A. Yeah, okay. So there you go. So that's that lot. We do have a few others. As you can see by the CBD shop, we only have a small selection of kits, but we have all the new stuff coming in all the time. So even if you're looking for new stuff, come and see us. We still can get it all. A couple of other things from AA Models. We've got the continuation of this series, which is the Beechcraft UC TC112B Huron. This is in 70-second scale. This is in 48 scale. This is a couple of new kits. They're just on basically IL2 and IL3. These are in 48 scale. If you're looking for that style of kit, this is the turboprop version of it. That's the radial version of it. So quite nice kits. 48 scale, so that's quite good. What else have we had come in? Jetstream. That's in 70-second scale. This is the Japanese version of the Beechcraft 350. It comes with Japanese marking. That's quite nice. So as you can see by what we're showing here, we've got a lot of the new releases that are in, and you can have a look at and all that sort of stuff. So come down and see us, or drop into our Box Hill store. The other thing I want to tell you is we're about to receive from Airfix the Gannet, the Ferry Rotodyne, the Bristol Bloodhound, the Wellington, We're also getting the Italeri Mackie 202. Now that should be in stores, fingers crossed, deliveries and everything else, by next Friday. So if you're looking for your gannet or you want a gannet, you're gonna have to get on and order it as soon as possible because they are running out for us. We hope to get some more in the near future. So guys, have a great day. Come and see us either here or CBD or a new location at Notting Hill, or go online. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.